Hello everyone, welcome to lowcodefx. In this video, I'm going to try Vibe Power Apps, and this is what I have developed in Canvas app so far. Let's try to build same application using Vibe. So let me walk you through this application. So this is home screen with 4 tabs. Let me jump to the project screen. So here we have the cards based on the projects, and for each cards we have this task list of tasks, and for each task I have designed this chat system where you can see the respective chats for action items. Yeah, and also we have provided Gantt chart view at the bottom. So if you see, this is the Gantt chart view. Yeah, and in the teams, here I have designed this according effect. So here we can track the assigned task for each resources. Also we have all task screen where all the task has been listed, and we have my task, so logged in user can see the respective task. Also we have history log with filters, can apply multiple filters here. Also we have a quick search and admin screen. Here you can see project tab and user tab. Basically admin can make project active or inactive, same goes with users. And last but not the least, dashboard. It's a Power BI dashboard. So I'm going to try to create one prompt based on these screens, and we will pass that prompt to Vibe. Now I'm in the Google Gemini, and I have attached all the screenshot from the Canvas app, and let me write a prompt here to create a prompt. Okay, attached prompt. Okay, so we have got prompt. Let me copy it. And now I'm into vibe.powerapps.com, and here you need to link your environment where you want to create this application, and then we can provide the prompt. Plan, data and app is being created. So you will see the Dataverse model here. So it will take some time. He found some bugs in the code, so he has restarted the coding again. The app is ready. Now you can see the data model here. Yeah, and plan. Yes. Yeah, it took around 15 minutes to create this app. Let me click on save button now. Okay, let's test the app. UI is a bit different, but looks like it has got all the functionality. So let's check one by one. So this is my home screen, and here we have 4 tabs what we have in our application. Let me click on all. We have the cards here, search box as well, new project. Yes, now let's click on one of the card. Okay, so it's kind of Kanban. So here we have 3 buckets. Then we have Gantt chart view as well. Nice. Then we can add multiple tasks. Perfect. So this project screen is exactly similar to our Canvas app. Let's jump to the task. Here we have search box, filters, yeah, and list of tasks. Also here you can see the additional status overdue. Now teams, list of resources. If I click here, you can see the details and which task has been assigned. Let's see the history log. We have available filters. Perfect. Reset filters, total events, admin screen, projects. We can make it active, inactive. We have also got pop-up here. Yes, and same goes with user. Perfect. And dashboard. Nice. Active projects, total tasks, completion, team members. I would say 95% functionality is same what we have in the Canvas app, so it's good. And now let's try publishing it. So I will click on publish. Now I'm into the lowcodefx environment where we have deployed the Vibe application. Let's click on app. Here you can see this app has been created. Perfect. And if you can see, the type of this app is code, so we have got new type here. So along with Canvas model driven app, we have got code as a type. Can't see solution for the respective Vibe app. So, and if the edit button is also disabled, that means we cannot edit the application. Let's try playing it here. Yeah. So let me create one project now. So if you can see this, the good animation, let me try adding a new project. Yes, so project has been created. Let me try add a task, test, assign to someone. Yes, this has been added here. So if I change the status, it will jump to another window. The task, you can see this. From here we can edit the task. Now, nice. So it's very good application. It's completely insane. So basically, if you want to add some enhancement or modify something, or something is not working, for example, here I can see history log is not working, prompts here again and ask for the modification, and once it's completed we can publish it again and it will reflect in the application. uh, I can see limitations as far as complex projects are concerned. We cannot modify something inside the application directly. We have to do it through the prompt. This is kind of limitations. And for the complex projects, the customization needed. I think for the small projects it's best. Within the 15 to 20 minutes you can create entire application. I'm very surprised with the UI. In within the few minutes the entire application got created. So yeah, so Vibe is helpful in the small projects as of now. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much.